everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Craft. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how can you make these beautiful barefoot sandals. They are totally made of beads and pearls with the threads, of course. So now we are going to know how I made this. These are super simple to make. If you wanted to know everything, all these pearls and thread and needle, kindly do check the description box for the materials I have used in this video. I'm going to tell you this also in the video, but still I'm going to write some the material in the description box. So I hope you will enjoy today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Okay, so for this tutorial you will need some flat beads. It depends. If you don't have the flat beads, you can use round beads. I have these two silver metallic 8mm round beads, and then I'm using a small silver bead which is, I guess, 4mm. The bead size depend on what you wanted to make. You will need one pearl for like one barefoot sandal, and you will need some small pearls you have, like smallest you have, because these pearls we are going to put this around this part here. And then I'm using a little bit slightly bigger pearls, not too big but not too small. Like these are the smaller ones and these are the bigger ones. So I guess these are 2mm, or no, these are 2mm and these are 1.5 or 1mm. And you will need one clasp lock. You will need some jump ring, a lock. You will need one thread, any thread you like. I'm using this butterfly cotton thread. You will need needle which fits properly in these pearls, and scissor, and of course your jewelry tool. So now we are going to start making this. First I'm going to thread my needle and come back here again and teach you what we are going to do next. Okay, so I have thread my needle here, and the thread is really big because I cannot take any risk at that point. So now we are going to grab our small beads we have. In here I'm going to add first this one here, this 2mm bead. I'm going to insert this in, and now I'm going to add 25 these small pearls. It's depend on how many you want it to. All you have to do is just make a circle, and then you're going to wear this on your finger, and then you can measure it, that is it okay or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. After adding 25 beads, remember I have a 2mm bead first. Now I'm going to pass this thread through that, so make sure that this work is into the center of your thread, and then we are going to pass this thread from this bead here, like that. Now you can see we form a circle here, and we have two different endings of our work. So now at this point you're going to wear this on your finger, and if you think this is perfect size, then you're going to continue the rest of the work, okay? Now I'm going to take my needle off from this end. Now grab your both ends together. We have two different ends here. We are going to take both the ends together, and now we are going to insert both together into our needle. So I'm going to needle the thread and come back and teach you what we have to do next. Okay, I have threaded these both threads into this needle, and now I'm going to add this silver bead I have, and then I'm going to add this flat pink bead, this silver bead. It's totally up to you what design you want to make here. Then one more flat bead, silver bead, one more flat bead, and the last our bead here. And remember, we add this pearl in the beginning. We are going to add this pearl at the end as well. Okay, like that. Okay, now length of this, it's depend on your foot size. Okay, so what you're going to do after completing this part, you're going to wear this again into your middle finger. As you can see, my dummy is like not it's not, they don't have a space between the center finger. That's why I just add this thing into the thumb. You are going to wear this in your center finger, and then you're going to just keep this piece right here. And if you're like, okay, now I have to add these two pearl strings at this point, I hope I am clear right now, because I'm getting confused explaining this part. I don't know why. So you're going to wear this, and then you will feel easy with this part, that it's long enough. Then you are not going to add any more beads. As you can see that for me, this is long enough, so I don't have to add more beads. Okay, so now we are going to add the top part. We are going to start making this top part. To do this, we are going to take these threads off the needle, and now we are going to separate these both threads again. For this, I recommend that you use the strong thread you have, because I'm using a strong thread. It's really strong one, so it will not break. So now we are going to work here. So take your right side one, and then take your needle and thread your needle, which is the most annoying thing sometimes, I think it is, to thread needle. Okay, finally we are in. After threading the needle, I'm going to put 27 beads on your right side and 27 on the left side. And these are 2 mm beads I'm using. Also, this part depends on your foot size. So you're going to add 27 beads on one side. Then you're going to put this on your leg, and if you're okay with it, you're going to add jump rings and clasp lock. Simple as that. But how we are going to lock this thread to the jump ring and everything, I'm going to come back and tell you once I'm going to add 27 beads here and 27 beads here. Okay, so I have added 27 bead pearls on one side, and now we're going to grab our jump ring. Okay, now take your jump ring, and then make sure that the opening of your jump ring is right over the top here. The jump ring opening is at the top. Insert your thread here like that, and then into this jump ring we are going to make a knot like that. Now I'm going to make 2 more knots. In total I'm going to make 3 knots to make sure that this part is nicely secure. And that is why I use the white thread, because the pearls are white. So I have made 3 knots here, and now I'm going to make knots under this pearl here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold my thread into my center finger of my left hand, and then I'm going to place this thread to this part, insert your needle from this side, and just make a knot under this pearl and jump ring. Okay, and the other you can make, there's another version you can make is, let me adjust my camera. Okay, grab your jump ring and from your right hand make a loop like X, insert it into the jump ring through the pearl part, and then just make a knot like that, and you have a perfect knot here, strong nice knot. Then I'm going to pass my needle through a couple of pearls like that. To make it secure, I'm going to pass it through all of these pearls right here, because I think it make it more strong, and obviously it will hide this thread as well. So I'm going to bring this thread right till I reach to this point where the silver bead is, and then we are going to cut. And now we are going to repeat the same step. I was about to say spit. The same step to our left side. So I'm going to complete this left side part exactly. I made the right one, and meet you guys in a moment. Okay, so my barefoot sandal is ready. So on your one side you can go ahead and add your clasp lock, with jump ring like that, and to other side I am going to add a couple of jump rings so it will look even, and if by accident it's not fitting on your feet, so you can add more jump rings to make it fit. And kindly check the description box for my Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm not feeling well today, that is why I'm quite out of energy. I'm feeling a little bit dizzy, I don't know why. And this is how your barefoot sandal will look like. And I hope you will have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos like that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for the material, do check the description box. Okay, take care everyone, bye.